She ordered $7,000 worth of dresses, and she was very sweet, very kind. I got in touch with her, told her what her delivery date was. She was fine with that. And when I went to send her her tracking number with a note saying thank you so much for the order, it was a really big order, and it was many, many dresses. She was so sweet. She said thank you so much, just like I treat any other customer. And she said, you know, by the way, this is after she paid, after the dresses are on the way. She said, by the way, I have 20 million followers on a certain platform, which is not this platform. So I was shocked. I was stunned. I didn't know who she was. She was like any other customer. She had a really nice order. And she was like, by the way, would you like me to do an unboxing for you on that platform that she had 20 million followers? I was stunned, shocked, so excited. I didn't even have that app. I had to like install it, and I did follow her for days to see if she was really going to do it. I was so excited, and she actually did the unboxing. She was so sweet, and I'm totally a big fan of hers.